Okay? Now this is what I got to say now. To you people out there that want to say maybe there's a little something wrong with me. You know, maybe I'm up and down or round and round. You know, whatever. Well, guess what? I have ADD, okay? You know what that stands for? That stands for Adult Dingleberry Doo-Doo Bird, okay? And I have papers to prove it. So I can't help myself. I am ADD. So when I get a little hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo, well, now you know why. And that's a real thing, ADD, okay? Like I say, I got papers to prove it. And if anybody gets me real mad, you know what I could probably do because I'm woo-hoo, huh? You know what I could do. Oh, like that. Don't come up to me and say, what's wrong with you? Because I'll pull out my papers. ADD. That's what it is. Okay? And I ain't ashamed of it. I'm an adult. I'm a dingy. And I can be a doo-doo bird. But that's okay. Because I'm me. And I'm going to be me. I'm just going to be me. Can't you see? I have to be me. Okay, that's all I got to say about it. Till next time. Bye. Bye. Better watch yourself. Because I'm watching you. Okay.